Hello students, today in this video I am going to discuss the chapter number 1 from your geography. The chapter name is environment. So students, you all know that about that environment, though you know, today we will discuss again. So see here it is said that after the long vacation, when Robbie started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. Robbie was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigold and butterflies is gone forever. He shared his feelings with his classmates in the assembly. The principal too sadly observed, "See how our environment is changing." So here students, it is said that Robbie, a student, after the summer vacation, when he arrived at school, so he noticed that there is a lot of changes in the school. So again the school principal also, he sadly observed what changes. So actually what this, so actually our environment is changing. So again when Robbie asked with his teacher, so what is environment? So everybody said that due to the change of environment we are able to see that lot of changes after the summer vacation. So now he want to know what is environment. When he asked to teacher, so what is environment? So teacher said that whatever you see in our surrounding, that is environment. So what is our surrounding? Let's see. So here it is given, environment is our basic life support system. Suppose it provides the air. Why we need air? For breathe. The water for drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So whatever this air, water, food, everything, the surrounding, all are known as the environment. And again Robbie thought aloud, that means the school buildings, tables, chair in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are parts of our environment. Yes. So he again asking about that whatever around, suppose air, water and food. Beside this, the other things also come into the environment. So like the tables, chairs, classmates, everything, classroom, road, those are also come under the environment. Then teacher said that yes, but wait, some objects are created by nature. So among this environment, whatever the air, water, food, chair, table, classroom, classmate, garbage, so among this, some of the object which is not created by the nature, which is created by the man, but some of the things are created by automatically, that is by nature. That is the river, trees, animals. These are created by the nature, and other are made by the people. For example, road, cars, clothes, books. These are not created by the nature. This is created by the environment. So again after that, see what happened. Now work in pairs, make a list with your classmates sitting next to you of the creation of nature and by human beings. So here it is said that with your classmate you just you are asked to make a list, whatever made by the nature and whatever made by the creation. So after that again say let's next topic. Ravi, Paramjit, JC, Mustafa, Asa were all excited about making the list. Why is our environment changing? Asked Iqbal. It all because of our needs. Because of our needs, according to our needs, the human beings modify the natural environment. So how human beings modify the natural environment? See here. How do human beings modify this natural environment? The car, fumes pollute the air, water is collected in the pot, food is served in vessels, and land is used to build factories. So in this way, when human beings make cars, mills, factories and manufacture containers, So this how the human beings modify natural environments. Again we will discuss more discussion about this topic of the modifying nature. So next see the next topic. So here it is given the components of environment. What are the components of environment? There are three components of environment. See, first human made, second natural, and third is human. What is human made components of environment? These are the human made components. Buildings, this is not created by the nature. Parks, this is not created by the nature, this is created by the man. Bridges, this is created by man. Again roads, monuments, industries, these are all made by the human. That is why it is known about human made components of environment. Again we see the natural. So see air, this is used for breath. So it is again it is said that air, it is the domains of the natural environment known as the atmosphere. And water, this is the water domains, this hydrosphere. And again land, it is the domains of lithosphere. Living things, biosphere, it is the domains of living things, means including land, air, water, all other things. After that, next see what are the human. Human are this individual, family, your family, your brother, sisters, father, mother, everybody are come under the human. And then again community, whatever the community we are see. Religion, it may be Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever the religions, all are come under the human natural environment. Another components of natural environment. And educational, economic, and political situation, everything come under the human components of environment. After that, next see, increasing day by day, increasing day by day, we are therefore modifying and at times even destroying our natural surroundings. That is our reply. Means for our need or for fulfill the need of the human beings, sometimes what happen, we destroying our natural surroundings. So how? See, so for making industries, sometimes what happen, we destroy our environment, because for making a building or industries we cut the trees. And sometimes what happen, we make a place, a huge place for making a industries, monuments, for road. So in this way sometimes what happen, we need to cut the trees. And that is why in the forest area also sometimes what happen, we clear the forest to making industries. But whatever the natural animals, those are living there, they need to go to the other places, because people are now coming that place. That is why sometimes what happen, for modifying the natural environments, sometimes what happen, we destroy our natural environment. And again see here two most important point. One is biotic and abiotic. So what is biotic? The world of living organism, example plants and animals, this is known as the biotic. And again abiotic means the world of non-living like land. So here it is said that from the above conversation you understood that the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environments. We already know that, but it is a combination of what? The natural environment, it is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. And while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. So we already got that natural environment, it consists of 2 point. One is biotic and anabiotic. So biotic what? It is given here. Anabiotic what? It is given here. So after that again see, human environment reveals the activities, creation and interaction among human beings. So after that the next topic we will discuss the natural environment. What is natural environment? So here see, land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. So you are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere from your previous class. Means in your class 6 you already get about the hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and lithosphere. These are the 4 domains of the natural environments. So what is lithosphere we will discuss in the next class. So today I hope you understand So in the next class I will discuss about the natural environment.